Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can easily run any C++ program in your Sublime Text. So let's begin. Now to run your C++ program in Sublime Text, you need to first install two software. One is MinGW compiler and another is Sublime Text itself. So for that you need to just simply go to your favorite browser and in the address bar you need to just simply type MinGW Distro, then enter. And then you'll be seeing this MinGW Distro is basically our first search result. So now just simply click on this MinGW Distro, and this is now going to redirect you to this official site of MinGW Distro. In here, if you just simply scroll down a bit, under this download, you'll be getting these two options. One is MinGW 17.1.exe file and another is MinGW 17.1 without git.exe. So what I'll be suggesting you is to download this MinGW 17.1 without git.exe. So just simply click on that and it will going to start downloading our MinGW 7.1 without git. So just simply cancel it. Since I have already downloaded it, I am just simply going to cancel it. So we have rightly downloaded our MinGW distro, right? So now it's time to download Sublime Text itself. So for that, just simply open a new tab and in the address bar just simply type Sublime Text, then enter. And then you'll be getting this www.sublimetext.com is basically our first search result. So now just simply click on Sublime Text and this will going to redirect you to this official site of Sublime Text. In here you'll be getting this download for Windows. So just simply click on that to basically start downloading our Sublime Text. You can clearly see it has rightly started downloading. Since I have already downloaded it, I just simply cancel it. And if I just simply minimize my browser and if I just simply go to my download directory, you can clearly see we have rightly MinGW 17.1 without git rightly downloaded over here along with Sublime Text 4 itself, right? So now I'm going to show you how to install this MinGW. So for that, just simply double click on it and you'll be getting this window. In here, you need to just simply click on this triple dot, then scroll down and you'll be getting this local disk C. So just simply select that and then OK. Then just simply click on extract. Yeah. And this is now going to start extracting our MinGW 17.1 without git. So this will going to take a couple of minutes. So what I will be doing is I'll be coming back after installing MinGW 17.1. Yeah. So we'll come back and now you can see our MinGW has been rightly extracted. So just simply go to our C drive and you'll be getting this MinGW folder. So just simply go inside that folder and you can clearly see all files has been rightly extracted over here. Right, and now you need to just simply go inside this bin folder and then you need to just simply click on this address bar, then right click on it and copy. Right, so we are basically going to copy this address bar of our bin folder and then you need to just simply click on the search icon and here you need to just simply type environment and you'll be getting this edit the system environment variables. Right, so just simply click on that and this is going to open the system properties. In here you need to just simply click on environment variables and then you need to just simply click on path, then edit, then new, then right click on it and paste. So we are basically going to paste this path over here, right? And then just simply click on OK, then again OK, then again OK, right? So we have rightly set our path and now if I just simply go to your this command prompt and now if you just simply type gcc space dash dash version then enter, you can clearly see our gcc version 9.2.0 has been rightly installed. So all this basically mean is our MinGW compiler has been rightly installed. Now it's time to install our Sublime Text. So just simply cancel it and just simply go back to our download directory. So here we have this Sublime Text installer, right? So just double click on it to basically start installing our Sublime Text. You need to just simply click on yes to provide administrative privileges and you'll be getting this Sublime Text installation wizard. So just simply click on next, then it's telling that it's ready to be installed. So just simply click on install and this is going to start installing our Sublime Text. it is just an 18 MB file, so it will going to install at a very rapid pace, and you can clearly see it has rightly installed. So just simply click on finish. So now that our Sublime Text has been rightly installed, so all you need to do is you have to just simply fire up our Sublime Text itself. So for that, just simply click on the search icon, and here just simply type Sublime, and you will be getting the Sublime Text app over here. So just simply click on that to basically launch our Sublime Text, and you can clearly see our Sublime Text has been rightly launched over here. In here, you need to just simply click on File, then Open Folder. So this will going to open this new window. In here, you need to just simply click on Documents, and then just simply click on New Folder. So here we are going to simply write a simple C++ program. So for that, let us first create a CPP workspace. So just simply type CPP, then just simply go inside that folder, and then just simply click on Select Folder, and you can clearly see our CPP folder has been rightly selected over here. And now you need to just simply create a new file. So for that, just simply click on File, then New File, and here we are basically going to write a simple C++ program. So hash include IOStream, and then you need to just simply type using namespace, then std, and then you need to just simply type int main, that is basically our main method, and in here we are basically going to print hello world, right? So hello world, and we need to end our line as well, so endl, then semicolon. Since we have returned int, so we need to return something, so we need to return 0, right? And then you need to just simply go to File, then Save As, and here let us first save this file as prog.cpp. That's a very important step. Since we are saving this file as a C++ program, so you need to save this file as .cpp, right? And you need to just check these to all file, that is basically default over here. So just simply keep everything as default, and then just simply click on save, and you can clearly see our file has been rightly saved as prog.cpp over here, right? This simply C++ code snippet, right? And now let us first minimize our Sublime Text, then go to our document directory. So we are basically inside our document directory. So inside this CPP, we have created this prog.cpp program over here. Now to run, you need to just simply click on this address bar, and then you need to just simply type cmd, then enter, and this is going to open this window, that is basically our terminal under this CPP folder itself. To run your C++ program, you need to just simply type G++, then your file name. So what is the file name? prog.cpp. So prog.cpp, then just simply space, then just simply -o. So this -o basically means as a output flag. So O means output. Then you need to just simply open these two quotation, and here inside this quotation, let's give a name as output, then enter. And this will going to compile our C++ program. You can clearly see it has rightly compiled over here, and it has generated our output file as well. So this output name is actually coming from here, right? Now to basically run our program, you need to just simply type output, then enter, and you can clearly see our hello world has been rightly shown in our console, right? So in this way you can easily run any C++ program in your Sublime Text editor, right? So I have rightly shown you how to install MinGW compiler, and then I have also shown you how to install Sublime Text, and then I have also write a simple hello world C++ program and run them, right? So that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please give it a like, and also do share with your friends. So that's all for this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.